Hello everyone, welcome to imacooker channel. Today we are going to make Hakka noodles. It's the kind of noodles which I ate when I was growing up, and it's very tasty one my mom used to make for it, and we are going to make a little bit changes to it, but it's gonna taste good. So let's go ahead and go for the ingredients. I've added the ingredients in the description box as well. You can check it out there. And let's get started. I've taken 2 chicken breasts, which I'm going to cook it in hot water for 15 to 20 minutes. After cooking the chicken for 20 minutes, I'm going to take it out of the water. And I have shredded the cooked chicken. Now I turned off the pan which I cooked the chicken, and to the same water I'm going to add the chopped up carrots, 1 cup, and chopped up beans, 1 cup. We are just going to blanch it for 3 to 4 minutes. After 4 minutes, I just took out the vegetables from the hot water. Now we are going to cook the noodles. To a pan of hot water, I'm going to add some salt and a little bit of oil. And we're going to add the noodles. I've taken 3/4 pound of noodles, or 300 grams of noodles, and we are going to cook it for 5 to 6 minutes or until it's soft. After 5 minutes, my noodles has been cooked. Now we can turn off the stove and drain the water out. I'm going to make the mushrooms. Add 1 tablespoon of oil. Add 2 cups of sliced mushroom. After sauteing for a minute, add half a tablespoon of garlic powder. And if you don't have garlic powder, you can use crushed garlic. Add a little bit of red chilli powder or cayenne pepper. Mix them together. Saute the mushroom for a minute, and then you can turn off the stove. I made an omelette and cut it into small pieces like this, and this is optional. If you want to add egg, you can add it. I've taken a wok, and to this I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, I'm going to add the onions. Add 1 tablespoon of ginger and garlic crushed. Add 1 cup of cabbage. Now I'm going to add the blanched carrot and beans. Mix it. Add the sauteed mushroom. Add 1 cup of green bell pepper or capsicum. Shredded chicken. Add 1 tablespoon of soya sauce. Add 1 tablespoon of black pepper. You can adjust the spice according to your taste. Add 1 tablespoon of garam masala. Add 2 tablespoons of cilantro or coriander leaves. Adjust the salt at this time. Now let's add the egg. And in the last, we are going to add the cooked Hakka noodles. Now your Hakka noodles is ready. Let's turn off the stove. Now let's serve it. Delicious and yummy Hakka noodles. Now let's try the Hakka noodles. I'm going to take a little bit of ketchup and a little bit of green chili sauce. Take a whole bite full. It's so good. It's kind of like everything mixed together and brought it into one masterpiece. That's how tasty it is. And if you liked our video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel and enjoy our recipe. Thank you.